Welcome to Fostering Resilience. Find a comfortable position, lying down or seated, where you can fully relax and let go. Allow your eyes to gently close or soften your gaze. Take a moment to acknowledge this time you've set aside for yourself. With each breath, remind yourself this is your time to rest, restore, and release the day. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath, noticing the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly. With every inhale, imagine calm energy entering your body. With every exhale, release any tension or worry. Let your breath become a little slower, a little softer. If thoughts arise, simply notice them and return to the gentle rhythm of your breath. Now let's begin a gentle scan of your body. Start at the top of your head. Notice any sensations, warmth, tingling, or maybe nothing at all. Allow your forehead to soften. Relax your eyes, your jaw, and your neck. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Feel the heaviness in your arms. Moving down to your hands and fingertips. With each exhale, imagine tension melting away. Bring awareness to your chest and heart. Notice the gentle beating. The rise and fall with each breath. Let your belly soften. Releasing any knots or tightness. Feel the support of the surface beneath you. Move your attention to your hips and pelvis, allowing them to sink into comfort. Relax your thighs, knees, calves, and ankles. Let your feet and toes completely relax, feeling the last bits of tension drift away. If you notice any area that feels tense or uncomfortable, simply observe it and invite a sense of ease into that space. There's no need to force anything. Just allow your body to be exactly as it is. Now, bring your awareness to your whole body, feeling a sense of calm and wholeness. Repeat quietly to yourself or just listen. I am safe. I am calm. I am at ease. With every breath, I invite in peace. With every exhale, I let go of what I no longer need. I am safe. I am calm. I am at ease. Begin to notice the space around you. If you're ready for sleep, allow yourself to drift off naturally. If you're returning to your day, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep, nourishing breath in and sigh it out. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for meditating with me today. Remember, you can return to this calm state whenever you need. Wishing you deep rest and peaceful moments ahead. Namaste.